Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hasan Zen Al Hadad from Vocational Engineering 3 2018 offering C2, and now I will tell you about something what that happened to my life yesterday. And first, I was doing a jig and picture assignment yesterday, last Monday. And second, I saw my old friend last Saturday, and at the time I was buying flowers, and finally he asked me to drink coffee together in the same place in Batu. And third, we have gone. I mean, my family and I. We have gone to the simple warung, but the taste is very good. It's very good in the Sanan Street in front of my house. And fourth last, my mother had been cooking an hour. It is very simple food, but it's large portion. It's soto and rawon. It's a very good and very nice and large portion. And I mean, I'm full yesterday. I'm full on my stomach. I'm full. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.